So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hi, you guys here for an Uber? Are you guys here for an Uber?
Yeah.
What's your name?
David.
Okay, David and...
Addison?
And Addison. Okay. Yeah, you're good. You can come in.
Wow, you're not even gonna get the door for me, babe?
How's it going?
You got two arms. You can open the door yourself.
Wow.
How's it going?
It's good.
Nice. So, can you confirm with me your destination, please?
We're going to the mall.
Okay.
He's gonna take me shopping.
All right, buckle up.
Huh, you're gonna take me shopping to make up for all the stuff you've been putting me through.
I don't know about that.
Really? I bet you would have taken, one of your other hoes shopping.
What other hoes?
You know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you do. All those girls that are on your Instagram?
What about them?
You're clearly sleeping with them.
Just because I have girls on my Instagram does not mean I'm sleeping with them.
Yeah, but you're like always talking to them, and I don't like the fact that you have any girls on your Instagram, especially pretty ones.
And how come you can have guys on your Instagram, but when it comes to me having girls on my Instagram, it's not okay?
Because I am a model, and that is my job. It's not your job to sleep with other girls.
Well, what if he's a model?
Excuse me, nobody asked you.
Okay. Sorry.
So why are you cheating on me?
I'm not cheating on you.
I think you are cheating on me. Oh, so you're just gonna sit there and not say anything to me? You're just...
really upsetting me right now, Addison.
You know what?
I don't want to talk.
You know what, David? David, you better buy me a whole lot of stuff at the mall and delete all the girls off your Instagram.
No, I'm not gonna delete the girls off my Instagram, and I'm not gonna buy you nothing.
What?
Anything. You've already pissed me off.
Oh my god. Oh really? Oh really?
You're accusing me of something that I haven't done.
I don't believe you. I can't trust you. I can't trust you.
Addison, you're really getting me really mad right now.
Oh my gosh. Do you see what I have to deal with? He's freaking crazy. This guy is crazy. Do you see this?
Ow.
Yo,
Hey.
let me out of the car.
What?
Yo.
We're on the freeway. We're on the freeway.
No. What? No.
Dude.
No,
What are you
we're on the
doing?
freeway.
What are
Do
you
not.
doing?
Nope.
Let me out.
Stay inside. Stay inside.
No.
No, hey!
Get in.
Stay inside. Stay inside.
in the car.
Stay inside.
Oh my god, you're so crazy. Do you see what I have to deal with? He's so crazy. Don't let him out of the car. You are not allowed out of this car until we get to the mall.
Can you get off the freeway right now, please?
No.
Okay.
No.
Get
He'll
off.
Getting
the
out. I'm
freeway.
getting out.
He'll really jump out the window.
Do not jump out the window.
He'll literally freaking do it. He is
Addison,
crazy.
shut up.
Do I need to take this to the police station?
What?
No, you shut up.
Yeah, you
Me?
shut
Get
up.
me off the...
Literally, this is none of your business.
Get me out of this car, please.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I'm coming with you. You're not going anywhere without me.
Unlock this damn car.
No, don't.
Hey.
He'll really do it. Pull over the car.
I'm pulling over.
Pull the car.
I'm pulling over. Chill.
Oh my god, get in the car.
Yo, chill.
You're crazy, David. Please,
Chill.
David, stop.
Yo, get me out of this
my-
car.
Let me, David.
Get out.
I'm sorry. He's so crazy. I'm sorry.
Hey.
Oh my god, David, please go. Get out of here. He's crazy. Get out of here.
Am I even getting a tip?
Go. Just go.
Fuck your tip.
Just go.
Okay,
David,
well, rate me
please.
5 stars at least.
No, leave. Get out of here.
What did I do to you? Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I have to put up with this. Leave! Get out of here!
David.
Get out of here! You just spit on my car! This is a new car!
Dave, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm calling 911. I'm calling 911.
Yeah, and tell him he's a cheater too.
I don't think they care. Alright guys, that was not a real video.
No.
As you can maybe guess by now that they're actually my friends. My TikTok friends. But thanks guys for being in the video. That was pretty interesting.
Yeah, IRL, I know people that have done that.
Oh, you know people. Oh, you know people.
Yeah, not
but
me.
Not you.
Not me.
I think that seemed a little too real. Guys, thank you for watching.
That situation before.
Thank you for watching today's video, guys. If you're a driver in this situation, just be safe, pull over, and this stuff actually might happen. So if you have to get off the freeway, be prepared. This stuff literally happens because this is based on a true story. So download GetUpside, the link down below to save money on your gas. Elias, you use GetUpside, right? Celine, you use GetUpside.
Yep.
You get cash back every time you fill up gas. I use it. Everyone use it. Click it down below so when you sign up to when you go to fill up gas, you can get cash back. But thank you guys for being in the video.